Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another box to share with you, and it's one of two beauty boxes that were released a couple of days ago. This is the Skin Staples box, and this is worth $248, and the Go and Glow beauty box is worth $277. They both contain 18 beauty products, and they both cost £50. They're both still available on their website. Normally these boxes sell out super fast, so hopefully when this goes up on my channel, I'm filming it a day before you're seeing it, hopefully they're still available. You'll find a link to them down below in my description, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to down there. So let's get on showing you then the Skin Saviours. I found it really hard this time to choose which one to go for. I ended up going through each beauty box thinking, right, what really excites me? And Skin Saviours had the most products. I always get asked what do I do with all the beauty products that I unbox, especially coming into advent calendar season. I think last year I did, I'm sure it's about 30 advent calendars, something like that. A huge amount. Anyway, I was doing a couple a week all throughout, like starting from August, I think it was, September and October. I buy the majority of advent calendars myself, and then I swatch a lot of the products, so I can't go on and sell it or anything like that. I make up little gifts for my friends and family, and my mum's carers as well. Okay. There's no leaflet in the box, but all the products that I show you, you can purchase them individually off the Beautybay website. Now, I wasn't able to get a discount code, but if I can find a discount code, then I'll pop it down below. Starting off, we got some stickers for your spots. This is by Starface, Party Pack Pimple Patches. There's 32 stars in here. Hydrocolloid Pimple Patches. This is full size, and I'll just show you what they look like. I've tried these before. I think in a previous Beautybay box, we had a little pot of yellow ones. We've got multicoloured ones here, so you pop them over your spot, and it's supposed to help reduce inflammation and get rid of the spots as well. I want to say they work, but not as well as other ones. The type of spots that I have been getting is cystic ones, so the ones that are really deep and sore and painful. I need the micro dart patches to go right in there and kill the bacteria and the germs and everything to try and get rid of the spots. With these, they help with the inflammation, but they just don't get rid of spots. But we all have different types of spots, don't we? So it might work really well for you. We got Bioderma, and this is a Soothing Micellar Cleansing Foaming Gel. It moisturises face and eyes, rinse off, is suitable for sensitive skins. And there's 100 mils there. I just want to sniff it. No, I can't smell anything. Oh, there is a bit of a fruity smell. I prefer a foaming cream than a foaming gel. I find a foaming gel, or a gel in general, it just takes a little bit longer to rinse off my face. I use a microfiber cloth to remove all my makeup and my cleansers, but yeah, I'm definitely use that. I'll pop it down in the bathroom. We've got Beautybay's own brand. It's by Beautybay, and this is hyaluronic acid and sea moss hydrating mist. I've had this before as well. Some of the skincare is really great, and I think I had this one not so long ago. It boosts hydration and lock in moisture. There's 100 mils there, and can be used all throughout the day and night. So as I've already got one of these, I'll see if my daughter wants this one. Next, we've got the Inky List. This is polyglutamic acid dewy sunscreen, SPF 30 for all skin types. Protect and hydrate for dewy primed skin. And there's 50 mils here. I've already got this one. I have yet to use it. It's in my little pile of skincare to use. I can't remember what beauty box I received it in, but it sounds really nice. It's just a shame it's not 50, but that's fine. Unfortunately, my main camera has been having battery difficulties, and none of the batteries are working, which has really freaked me out. So I've had to swap over to my mobile. So apologies if it looks completely different and not as good as before, but we'll just go through it. We'll pretend it hasn't happened and hope for the best. So next up, we have got Avene. This is an ultra broad spectrum SPF 50+. It's a clearance tinted for oily blemish prone skin, unifying anti-blemishes, and there is 50 mils here. I love the sound of this. I wonder what it's like. Let's try. There. It's a nice colour for me anyway. That will blend in nicely to my face. Yeah, that's really nice. I love tinted SPFs and moisturisers. Yeah, it's got that proper sunscreen smell. So yeah, so there's that. We've got Shay in Blue. This is Melrose Apple Blossom, a body and hand wash, and there's 100 mils here. Now Shay in Blue do the most amazing smelling products. So I'm not gonna test it, I just want to sniff it. I know I'm gonna love this because I've smelled their perfume. Oh, it's just amazing. Oh, I absolutely love this. It's just so nice if you love apples, but it's more of a perfumey sort of smell, you know, it's not just pure fruit. Yeah, it's beautiful. I really like that. Then we got Hello Sunday. This is SPF 40, the one that makes you glow. Dark Spot Oil Serum. High protection all year round. Not only does this invisible formula prevent and reduce dark spots and hyperpigmentation, the powerful combination of vitamin E and hexyleresconol, butchering it completely, helps improve dull complexion and even out your skin tone. A fragrance-free, light touch concentrated oil that is fast absorbing and keeps the skin protected from UVA, UVB pollution and blue light. So it's a dark spot serum oil that's got SPF 40. You apply it as the last step of your skincare routine, and that's all it says. So yeah, so it's a SPF 40 oil. Let's try a little bit. It's so weird. It's literally like serum. I'm so used to applying creams, SPF creams. Well, it makes my hand feel nice anyway. Does it smell? No. Did I say it's fragrance? I probably said it's fragrance free. It's a little bit different. Then we've got another product by Beautybay's own brand. This is a hydrating primer. This is 30 mils. It's a jelly grip hydrating primer. It says grip your makeup to your skin while hydrating and smoothing with this primer. With a gel texture that melts into the skin, this hyaluronic acid infused blurring primer helps to prolong the wear of makeup. Yeah, I can feel nice and tacky. I always want to sniff it. Can't help it, always want to sniff it. But yeah, it's a jelly primer essentially. Next we've got a product from Minimalist. This is Retinol 0.6% face serum with rosehip oil, coenzyme Q10 and squalene to visibly reduce wrinkles for all skin types. It's 30 mils here. Oh, this is leaking. Yeah, it's a little bit oily on the top there. Is it just not sealed properly? It's not broken, so you can see the oil there. It doesn't seem to be broken at the top there, and not much has seeped out, thankfully. So we've got a retinol serum. Next we've got Laneige. This is a bouncy and firm sleeping mask. There's 10 mils here. A little pot. So have I tried anything else besides the sleep masks? Oh, that feels really nice. On my hand, as always. Then we've got a little Beautyblender. This is a teeny tiny one. The original Beautyblender. This is it. 38 times award winner. Got a little mini one. Look how cute that is. So good for under eyes, noses, spot application. So a little mini beauty blending sponge there. We got Florence by Mills. This is a Dreamy Dew Facial Moisturiser, and there's 30 mils there. I'm going to pass that on to my daughter because I know she's tried this before and really likes it. We've got a Coola SPF 30 Dew Good Illuminating Serum Sunscreen with probiotic technology featuring blue screen, and there's 7 mils there. It's only a little teeny tiny one. I have tried this before. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to save that and just take it away if I go away for the night or something like that, because there's only a little bit in there and I don't want to waste up my hand. Next we've got LH Cosmetics. This is a Shape in Light in Rose Glow. It's a face primer. I don't think I've ever tried anything from LH Cosmetics before, but I think they got in touch with me last year asking if I'd be interested in doing an advent calendar unboxing. And I think I put a post up to see how many of you lot would be interested. And I don't think many of you were. And the reason I wanted to ask you first was because if I accepted it, then I would have to add the value of it, which was a good couple £100, down on my taxes. So it would bump up my earnings that I get from YouTube and things, which is fake because I'm not actually getting money, I'm getting products. And then I have to pay tax on top of it as well. I'm very picky. Like for instance, Space NK got in touch with me and I knew that would be a really good seller. So I agreed to them gifting me an advent calendar. The value of that advent calendar I made back in YouTube AdSense. So all your views really help with things like that. That is beautiful. I really like that. It's got a little hint of a tint, like a rosy tint to it. but a really nice sort of dewy finish. Shaping like, why is it called shaping? Shaping like rose glow. Yeah, really pretty. Then I got ESHO Drench. This is a lip serum. There's 12 mils here. And this is what it looks like. Oh, I just realised everything's back to front now, isn't it? Because I'm filming with my phone. I'm so sorry. I've had this before. Yeah, it's a really nice serum. There, ooh, there's a little bit. It says, Drench keeps lips super hydrated with only a single application. It can be worn under lipstick like a primer. It's lightweight and easily absorbable. Formula gives you all the hydration your lips need and leaving them drenched. Then we got Eucerin. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't think I've ever watched a YouTuber or anyone on like Instagram or anything say this brand out right. It hasn't stuck in my head anyway. I say it's either Eucerin or Eucerin. Eucerin probably. It's new. Sun protection, SPF 50, which is brilliant. This is Hydro Protect for all skin types. Fast absorbing formula, invisible finish for daily use, non-sticky, non-greasy, no residue. We've got 50 mils. I don't know if you're interested in me talking about YouTube and what I buy and stuff, but just to give you an idea, for every 1,000 views I get on a video, I get between say £8 to £10. It differs all throughout the year. The money that I earn from these videos then go back into buying all these boxes. So we got a SPF from Eucerin. So all your views matter. So thank you so much to all of you that do subscribe and watch my videos. We have got here Nudestix, Nudies Glow. It's an all over face highlight colour. And it's a little teeny tiny one. Can you see? There. See the sort of goldy glow. So it's a face highlight, can be used anywhere. And then the last item in the box is a little teeny tiny TWEEZERMAN little tweezers. That are so cute. I've had this a few times. They are adorable. Look, look. They're like little miniatures. They're really cute, aren't they? They're really teeny tiny. Still work great, nothing wrong with them. But just small. So those are all the products in the Skin Staples beauty box. It contains 18 products. It has a value of £248 and it costs £50. I really like it. There's some products in there that I haven't tried before. Just looking at them all laid out now on my radiator. There's some products that I've received before as well. My daughter has already had a look inside. When my camera was messing up with my battery and stuff, she started having a look in there. Ooh, can I have this? Can I have that? And I was like, don't touch, don't touch. I haven't finished filming yet. So yeah, so she's going to have a good look through afterwards as well. And we'll share the things in there. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this one? And also, what do you think of the other one? If you saw that advertised as well. The Glow and Go, I think it's called. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.